Good morning, this is Shane with LV SVT here in Las Vegas, Nevada. I'm trying to get some help diagnosing this ticking sound on my car. It does not do it at cold warm up or cold start. It does not do it at all. But before I've got out of my street and it's had a chance to warm up a little bit, it starts ticking. What it does is it's usually around 2000K, 2000 to 3000K RPM is where I hear it the most. And if it's under load, it doesn't do it. If I take my foot off the gas and there's no load at all, it doesn't do it. It only really significantly does it between the 2000 3000K mark. I don't know if it's the tapping, the valves themselves, or the... Can you hear that? Okay, anyway, I don't know if it's the valve train, if it's not a piston knock or a slap, it's more of a rattle.